How to send photos and videos on Telegram. If you want to share photos and videos on Telegram but you don't know how to, then don't worry, I've got you covered. It's super duper simple, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside the Telegram app, go into the chat where you want to send your photo or video. Once you are inside the chat screen, tap onto the paper icon or the gallery icon next to the message bar. Now from the gallery, select the photo or video you want to send. You can choose multiple at once. Now all you have to do is hit the send button and your media is on its way. You can also add a caption or send the file without compression for full quality. And that's it, quick and easy sharing on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.